before the Election Commission is set to announce the results for the Lok Sabha election 2024, both BJP and the India Bloc have knocked on the doors of the poll body to ensure that all the guidelines are followed on June 4, when the votes polled in the 7th-phase election will be counted. So what have India Bloc leaders said? Well, Congress leader Abhishek Singhvi informed that the India Bloc has urged officials to ensure that the postal ballots are counted and the results declared before the results of the electronic voting machines are announced. Further, CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri said that they have urged the poll body to ensure that its own guidelines are implemented, which includes ensuring that the control units of the EVMs are moved through CCTV monitored corridors and a verification of the current date and time display of the control units is done. Yechuri also said the start and end time and date of the polling process should be checked on the control unit. Moreover, the opposition parties have asked their agents to monitor the vote counting process closely on Tuesday and ensure that Form 17C, which contains the number of votes recorded at each polling station, is shared with them. After India Bloc approached EC, a BJP delegation led by Nirmala Sitharaman also met with the CECs and EC. The delegation urged EC to take 4 important steps. Firstly, the BJP requested the EC that every official engaged in the counting process be fully conversant with the minutest details of the prescribed process and engage diligently with all EC protocols. Secondly, they have asked to ensure safety and security of the electoral process during the counting and announcement of results. Thirdly, the BJP demanded EC to take cognizance of these systematic attempts to undermine the electoral process and further take stringent action against those responsible.